Hello everyone, welcome back to Bit Learning. So in this video lecture we are going to cover this part 2 of this alter statement. Okay, so in part 1 I have already discussed about add, modify and drop statement. Okay, drop command. So without wasting time we'll start this in today video lecture. And here what we'll do is like in this video lecture we will learn to rename the table name and the column name. Okay, so without wasting time हम लोग start करते हैं. Okay, so what we'll do is like first we'll see the syntax, like how we can rename a column in any table. Let's suppose we have created one table. Okay, and see we have created the table like select star from imp. In previous video lecture I have created this table. So this is our table. So here what is the field name? Imp id, imp name, imp age, imp department, imp address and imp phone number. So these fields are there. So what we will do, we want to change the column name. Let's suppose I have given the imp address, but I want to change is like not in the short form. I want to expand it, or you can see this imp ph will change it to imp phone. Okay, so for this we'll use this syntax and we'll do. Okay, so let's start with the syntax. Alter table imp. Okay, then we'll use change keyword. Change, what we have to change? Column. So we'll give the column, and after that we'll give the old name. Okay, so we are going to change this imp phone. Okay, so we are going to give this imp phone, right? This is the old name, and after that we have to give the new name. So we are going to do this like imp phone. We want to modify that, like imp phone we want in our column name. Okay, and after that we have to give the data type. So let's suppose we are giving the data type varchar, that would be 20, and that should be not null. Okay, and again in earlier video also I have said that this first and after statement is totally optional, so we can ignore and we can give this also. If we are not giving this, then it will take it as default where it is already placed. Okay, and in this way if we can also alter one or more column at the same time, like again we have to write the same. And let's suppose this time we will change the imp address. Okay, so we'll change this imp addrs to imp address. Okay, then we'll give the varchar, let's suppose 150 we will give, and that should also be not null. Okay, so after this what we'll see in result is like this names should be changed. This imp address should be imp underscore adress. Okay, and this imp ph should be like imp phon, imp phone. I mean we have modified, we have renamed this two columns name. Okay, in this imp table. So we'll execute this and we can see. So we can see this imp address and imp phone is changed. Okay, so you can check this data type also by describing the imp, I mean describing the table name. Okay, so here you can see imp phone varchar 20 we have put here, and this imp address varchar 150 we have put. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, like how we can change the column name. Now let's move to the next thing, like if you want to change the table name. Let's suppose I have created the table imp, but I want to change it. That is not very relevant to the context what I'm trying to say, or with any reason you want to change the table name, then we can use this syntax, and that is a very small syntax we can use. So for this we want to change the table name. Let's suppose our table is like imp, right? This is our table name, right? So we want this you want to change this imp to imp new. Okay, so what we'll do, this again the same command we will use, alter table, and what will be the table that we are going to alter? Imp, and what we are going to do, we are going to rename it. So we'll give the rename command here to new table name. So what we'll see, like we have to give the new table, so we are going to give imp new. So what will do this? Alter table. Which table? Imp. Rename it to what? Imp new. So after running this query, we'll get this imp new table. Okay, so when we'll run this table, see this 5 rows returned. So when we'll select star from imp, so we'll get an error because this does not exist. So why it's not getting existed? Because we have changed the table name. Again we'll select star from imp new, we'll do this query and then we'll run this, then we can get the result, whatever the things which we have in this imp table now containing imp new table, because we have renamed it. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. And apart from this, if you have any issues, any problem, anything that you are not getting, so please comment me. I will try to answer that question also. And please subscribe the channel if you are getting 1% of anything from whatever I'm showing in these videos. Okay, so please be with me, and thanks for your help. Stay tuned with me. Thank you.